Walmart Spark Driver doesn't require a special vehicle, but your car still has to meet basic safety, registration, and insurance standards before you can start accepting deliveries. By the end, you'll know what type of car is accepted, what documents matter most, and what can stop you from getting approved even if your car looks fine. Here's the actual requirement. Spark accepts most standard passenger vehicles. Sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs are commonly used. The key factor is not the type of car, but whether it is reliable enough to complete deliveries safely and consistently. Your car must be properly registered. The registration has to match the vehicle you're using for deliveries, and it needs to be current. Expired registration can block onboarding or pause your account. Insurance is also required. Your policy must be active and match the information on your Spark Driver profile. If there's a mismatch in name or vehicle details, the system can delay approval. Now here's what trips people up. Spark does not require a commercial delivery vehicle in most cases. You are allowed to use a personal car. But your vehicle still needs to be in working condition with no major safety issues that would make deliveries unreliable. Another common issue is vehicle mismatch. If you register one car in the app but show up with a different one, even temporarily, it can cause verification problems. The system expects consistency between your profile and the vehicle used for deliveries. There's also no strict model year requirement listed in most onboarding cases, but older vehicles may run into inspection or reliability issues depending on your local market rules. So, instead of thinking about, what is the best car, it's better to think about, what car is reliable for frequent stop-and-go driving. Now here's what actually matters most in practice. A car that starts reliably every day. Enough space for grocery orders or package deliveries. And valid paperwork that matches your Spark profile exactly. If those three things are in place, your vehicle is usually acceptable for the platform. Summary. Walmart Spark accepts most standard personal vehicles. Registration and insurance must be valid and match your profile. And consistency between your car and account details is critical for approval. Next step is simple. Check your registration, insurance, and vehicle details in the app, and make sure everything matches exactly before you apply or continue onboarding. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe for more driver-focused guides.